Lahat talaga sablay, off siya. She came in with the watch. Nakita agad natin na fake yung watch. Nabili nila ng 200,000 plus. Turns out it's like a 4,000 plus lang na watch. Kaya make sure you get from your trusted dealers, guys. What's up, guys? Another watch, another day. Si Ma'am Kim nandito. For today, may bibenta siya daw sa atin. This is the Explorer 2 na 40mm. Reference 16570. Saan yung nakuha ito, Ma'am?
Ano po, sa brother ko.
Okay, sige. So, just to, medyo mga off parts is of course, ito, may nakasulat na 16233. It's a date just actually na two-tone, yellow gold. Other than that, yung winding, so yung lug holes pa lang, medyo malaki masyado yung butas dito. Here, yeah, as expected, wala nakasulat na serial number. Sabi ba niya, like, how much niya gustong kunin? 80,000, no? Check natin yung reference naman na nakasulat dito. Again, walang nakasulat. Kung makikita mo, mas malalim yung dial nito kaysa dito. Ito yung kina ma'am. Ayan yung seconds niya. It's touching yung white. Although this here sa original, ayan, hindi siya umaabot. Dapat hindi siya abot dun sa white. Other than that, bubuksan natin siya. Medyo rin hindi kumakagat yung ni Rolex eh. Ayan, so sa movement pa lang, walang anything indicating Rolex. No movement, no caliber. That's a mere indication tong dalawa na it's fake. It has to be blue sana. Especially dito, wala na siyang lug holes. Ayun, marami talaga. So, upon dissecting the watch, so hindi talaga siya yung authentic or the standard of Rolex. However, kasi kung standard to ni Rolex, the 280 is actually a very good price. For this one, we're selling 369.
Today and then magkano inflation mo?
Yung ganito, wala eh. Oo, wala. So definitely, fake Rolex siya. China made, most probably. All
Ang Rolex is Swiss made.
Swiss made talaga. They don't make it anywhere else in the world. Nabili ba ni kuya mo? Mahal?
Actually, in this pickup.
Oh, shit.
Spain eh.
Oh, Raul. Spaniard.
Pinoy na lang.
Nanakop yung mga yun. Matagal na talagang may sa atin ng mga Kastila. Hanggang ngayon ba naman? Sa Rolex. Ayan, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Paring J, thank you.
Thank you. Till next time. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. So, ayan guys. She came in with the watch. Nakita agad natin na fake yung watch. So, dinisect natin, chinek natin sa microscope. Chinek natin yung serial reference number tsaka yung movement. Lahat talaga sablay, off siya. So, be careful kasi naloko din sila. They bought it from Spain daw. So, sayang naman, nabili nila ng 200,000 plus. And then, turns out, it's like a 4,000 plus lang na watch. Sakit. Kaya, make sure you get from your trusted dealers, guys. Wag na wag kayong bibili kung saan-saan. And then, make sure you have it checked as well. If bibili man kayo sa mga tao, kaibigan nyo, etc. Just to be sure, trust naman is very abundant right now. Kahit sino pwede natin pagkatiwalaan, pero baka kasi sila din naloko. Oh. Done deal! Ay, hindi pala done deal, no? Kaya pala naging